Hello my dear students, this lecture for standard 12. Today we are learning chapter number 10. Its name is haloalkane and haloarine. Haloalkane means alkane chain is attached with halogen. Haloarine, aryl compound attached with halogen. Our topic is method of preparation of haloalkane. From alcohol, alcohol convert into haloalkane. First reaction is alcohol react with HCl in the presence of ZnCl2. Dear students, HCl and ZnCl2 means it is a Lucas reagent. It is known as a Lucas reagent. So, this R attached with halogen. In this form, what is a halogen? Cl is halogen and this hydrogen and this OH form water molecule. Second reaction, alcohol react with NaBr and in the presence of H2SO4. When this H2SO4 dissociate into two parts, H plus and HSO4 minus, right? And what is our aim? Our aim is to form haloalkane R attached with halogen, right? So student, we have to find what is halogen. This Br is halogen, right? So R attached with Br and this OH and this hydrogen form water molecule H2O. It is a byproduct and this sodium and this HSO4 form sodium hydrogen sulfate and AHSO4. See, it is very easy. See, we have to take 3 moles of alcohol react with PCl3. So we have to form haloalkane. So that's why this R attached with halide, right? So here 3 moles of R attached with 3 moles of Cl. So see here haloalkane is formed and byproduct is, see here hydrogen is 3. So H3. Phosphorus is 1. P. Oxygen is 3. So PO3. H3PO3. It is called orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid. Alcohol react with PCl5. R attached with halogen. Here 1 R. So it attached with only a 1 halide. And phosphorus, oxygen and Cl3. PuCl3 is formed and this hydrogen attached with 1 Cl is again remain. So it form HCl. So when alcohol attached with PCl5, it gives RCl means haloalkane and byproduct is PuCl3 and HCl. Second reaction, ROH in the presence of red phosphorus and X2. Dear students, here X2, it may be Br2 और it may be I2. वो bromide भी हो सकता है या तो फिर iodine भी हो सकता है. This R attached with S. Suppose we take Br2, it form bromo and when if we are taking I2, it form Ri, right? Last reaction, alcohol attached with SOCl2. When alcohol react with SOCl2, always you have to remember this, SO2 gas will release. And what is our aim? R is attached with halogen. So R, and what is halogen? Here Cl is halogen. So Cl. SO2 gas is released. SO2 gas is released. But again, 1 Cl is remain. So this 1 Cl is attached with hydrogen. So it form HCl. Okay. See, it is a very easy reaction. See, method of preparation of haloalkane from alcohol. So alcohol has this 6 reaction. See, alcohol, and this all alcohol convert into haloalkane. Right? Okay.